Welcome back to our channel, the place where transformation begins. Today's episode is a game changer for every man out there looking to not just attract, but genuinely connect with high-quality women. If you've ever wondered why some men effortlessly captivate attention while others struggle, you're about to discover the secrets that make all the difference. So, buckle up and let's elevate your presence to magnetic levels. And, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our journey of self-improvement and success. Secret Number 1. High energy. Elevating. Your energy is about infusing every day with purpose and passion. Start your morning with a routine that invigorates you, be it a cold shower, a brisk walk, or a few minutes of gratitude journaling. This sets the tone for a day charged with positive energy. Remember, energy is contagious. By elevating yours, you not only uplift yourself but also those around you. This vibrancy becomes your signature, drawing people, and yes, women, towards you naturally. Action step. Implement a morning routine that kickstarts your energy levels and stick to it religiously for the next 30 days. Notice the shifts in your interactions and overall mood. Secret number 2. The power of charisma. Charisma is the art of making others feel valued and understood. It's about showing genuine interest in people's stories and finding common ground. However, charisma also involves setting boundaries and respecting your own values. This balance between openness and self-respect makes you not just likable, but deeply respected. Action step. Practice active listening in your next conversation. Focus entirely on the other person, summarizing their points before sharing your thoughts. This simple act can significantly enhance your charismatic appeal. Secret number 3. Aesthetic appeal matters. Aesthetic appeal is about presenting yourself as a well-curated masterpiece. It's not vanity, it's visual communication. The colors you wear, the fit of your clothes, and even the accessories you choose send messages about who you are and what you stand for. Take pride in crafting your appearance as it's the first chapter of the story you tell the world. Action step. Audit your wardrobe and identify pieces that make you feel powerful and confident. Gradually eliminate what doesn't align with the image you want to project. Secret number 4. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset is acknowledging that every experience, good or bad, is a step toward your ultimate version. It's about being a lifelong learner, constantly curious and open to new perspectives. This mindset not only makes you more attractive, but also more adaptable and resilient in the face of life's inevitable challenges. Action step. Identify one area of your life you've been avoiding due to fear of failure. Commit to tackling it head-on, viewing any setbacks as learning opportunities rather than defeats. New secret number 5. Develop emotional intelligence, EQ. The final secret to unlocking your irresistible charm is developing a high emotional intelligence, EQ. This means understanding your emotions, managing them constructively, and being able to empathize with others. A man who is in tune with his emotions and can navigate the emotions of those around him is incredibly attractive. It shows depth, maturity, and a level of understanding that goes beyond words. Action step. Start a daily practice of mindfulness or meditation to become more aware of your emotional patterns. Additionally, engage in conversations that go beyond surface-level topics, striving to understand the emotional undercurrents. Conclusion. Transforming into the most irresistible version of yourself is a journey of consistent growth, self-discovery, and authenticity. It's about becoming a beacon of positive energy, charisma, aesthetic appeal, and emotional intelligence. As you embark on this path, remember, the goal isn't just to attract others, but to become someone who enriches the lives of those you meet. If this guide has inspired you to take the first steps toward transformation, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your engagement fuels our mission to empower and uplift. Together, let's build a community of men who aren't just irresistible, but also profoundly impactful. Until next time, embrace the journey, cherish the growth, and remember, You have the power to shape your destiny.